could climb a tree, hear the buzz of the bees, dig your hands in the mud or plant a flower seed. 'Cause dirt don't hurt and there's a world out there that could really use some love and care. Let's take a ride on the green side, read some books at wild times. We'll move and groove in the summer breeze. Yeah, it feels so good to be one with nature. One with nature. You could go on a walk with Rocky and friends, or maybe stay inside and do a craft instead. You could sing as loud as the cicadas do, and before this summer's through, we'll take a ride on the green side, read some books at wild times. We'll move and groove in the summer breeze. Yeah, it feels so good to be one with nature. One with nature.